September 26, 2014, about 9:30 in the morning. We got Dora, the Amazon Macaw, and we have Sonny, the fat cat, out here. I don't know who wants who more. Dora's trying to get his tail. She's trying to get that cat. The cat just wants to be friends with you, Dora. Oh, look here, she's trying to grab his tail. There's a window between the two of them. This is just too funny. We're at the Pony to Go Horse Farm, Full Moon Ranch, Berryville, Virginia. Cat just wants to be your friend, Dora. Huh? He's trying to get his tail. And just so y'all know, I did place the bird up on here just to see her reaction. Aww. But the cat was already up on the ledge on the outside before I put the bird up here. Here's straight to his tail. I'm going to take this to 3.5 minutes. And then I'm going to go outside. Love you guys. Peace.